just start? Okay, we start recording. It's recording now. Cool. Let's do it.
Again, don't know if we're audible, but
We'll see, I guess, in the recording.
awesome.
Okay.
So 2 oldest ages caught a problem, and you have the chat up. In case anybody goes, you guys are dumb and we can't hear you.
I mean, just gonna assume that people are gonna say we're dumb and they can't hear us.
Well, we want to know if it does happen.
Okay.
So we're looking at the 2 oldest ages function method needs to be completed. Okay, good.
Should take an array of numbers. What's your Twitch handle? Hang on, that's my wife. No, you can get it.
Okay. Should take an array of numbers as its argument and return the 2 highest numbers within the array. So we just got to sort some array. The return value should be an array in the format of second oldest age, oldest age. Interesting. The order of the numbers passed and could be any order. The array should always include at least 2 items. If there are 2 or more oldest age, return both of them. So it looks like it could be unsorted, so we just first have to sort it.
Alright, so let's sort it.
After we sort it, if it's a slice, I forget exactly how you could like sub-slice. You can just take a slice of a slice, if I'm not mistaken. And it's actually not expecting a slice out. But oh man, that's interesting. So I'm used to, you can slice an array of integers, but I don't actually know. Can you take you have to create a new array, put the last 2 indexes in it after it's sorted. Man, I'm just going to turn it into a slice. So we have ages, and I'm going to take ages into, how do you do this? I think you can do something like this, where you just say, so ages slice, it's going to be equal to, and then we're going to say, how do you specify the slice? You do something like that, right? Then you have to construct it like so. Isn't that already a slice?
Yeah, that's already a slice.
If we're returning something that's not a slice, good. Okay, cool. So what we have is already a slice. So I just need to sort it. So sort slice.
Yeah.
So instead of substring, it's gonna be like subslice.
Subclass.
Subclass.
Better.
Subslice. And then return. So I don't know how to turn a slice back into an array, but it shouldn't be that hard if you just subslice it and then create it, right? So return will look something like this.
We're looking for a fixed size array?
Oh, that should be good. Oh, I can just screen sheet.
The screen sheet? Yeah. I mean, yeah, that's why we have the 2 things going on there.
So we can copy. Copy would work, but copy returns a slice, so.
Can we not just boom, boom?
First, I'm curious what's sharing. Can you look at what's sharing real quick? On Twitch?
What is sharing?
Maybe I can check Twitch.
No, I got it. Look, it's your screen. See?
Cool, so I can just Google food right here. So this is all of programming. It's 100% of programming.
Google? Yeah, no, I mean, that's what they told us during my...
Golang sort slice.
Yeah, I'm just going to use like GoDot.
Screw that. Stack Overflow always. So just sort.slice.
Yes, it looks like. But it looks like you might have to import.
This is so bad. Sort dot. Yeah, so you import sort. So it looks like you have to specify the slice with some constructor. Gosh, that is strange. Anyway, sort.sort. Sort.int slice. There's no IntelliSense in CodeWars, so it's kind of lame in that sense. But let's just go ahead and import format so I can debug. And sort.
Import. Okay, yeah. I was gonna say you want to import sort.
So I'm thinking sort.sort because that's what it did. And then I'm going to sort dot, gosh, this is so bad, but it's probably going to be capital I because that's be like that public accessor slice, right? And then I'm going to pass into that my ages slice. So then what I'm going to create is my, well, I don't even have to create anything. I can just return from here. So what I want, I'm going to create a 2 length integer array. That's my type. I guess I really don't have to specify that, do I? I can just say array. Actually, I can do this and use that weird, what do they call this? It's like it's a funny word they use in Golang. It's like a constructor. I can't remember what it's called. But anyways, I'm going to capture this sorted slice. I'm going to say sorted slice. I think it's just going to be, I don't know if you can do it like Python where you say -1.
That would be, just went over that this morning. I don't know, try it.
I don't actually think you can. I think I've tried this before, so it's going to have to be like length of the sorted slice.
Yo, man, you're like 6%.
I know, I'm burning through it. Do you have a charger nearby?
Did you not bring a charger?
I do, but I need like
USB-C, right?
I need a wall to plug it into.
Oh,
It's right here. I got one.
yeah, you just come right there.
Let's try to code faster.
Nah, it's not gonna work.
Length of slice. Let's see what Golang does for this. Can you just show me? Surely there's a method that gives length. How to get length. Cool. I like that. It's nice and simple.
So, hang on.
Mm-hmm.
So let's say that we have. I think this is way too complicated.
It might be. It's just casting it back. There's a faster way to cast it back. I'm gonna test it. Expected string not found. Sorted slice.
How do you do code? This code. Was it same as in Teams?
Oh man, I couldn't tell you.
Your computer sounds like it's taking
It is a rocket ship.
It's the I-9, right?
Mm-hmm.
It is. It's the same as in Teams. Cool. I didn't know.
So let's figure out if the sorted slice is even a sorted slice. Expected string found. This is the correct syntax for import, is it not? Do you have to comma?
Yeah, I think you had to have a comma for sure. Solution is for string found. Okay, hang on, let's look here. Line 3, 8. No, it's supposed to be parentheses.
I see.
It's not curly brace.
And then undefined sorted slice is, yeah, you gotta do like that. I always forget this. Little colon.
What are you returning?
Nothing yet. I just want to see if it's even sorted. Cannot use. Oh. I also learned this funny thing where you can like let it infer.
Yep. Ah, it's so cool.
I hate it.
What?
It's not clear. You have to count. Like, what if somebody did and like went off the screen? You have to go count how many values there are to infer what's going on, or if they're passing something
But
in.
they probably just assume that someone's smart enough to not do that.
No value
You try
used.
this.
What is it?
I'll send it.
You sent it on Discord.
Yeah, I'll send it in Discord. Hey, there's a password.
Yeah, but they can't see that, I don't think, on Twitch. Right? They can't, right? Wait, show me. Go to Twitch.
Yeah, no, they can't.
Yeah. So you sent it to me or to the chat?
I sent it to that thing.
This thing.
You have to scroll down. No, I sent it in the general chat on
Not
the
text.
call. There.
So obscure. Sort A, B, B slice -2. But you see, that's a slice.
Just try it.
What is this?
What did you do?
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Browser.
And obviously sort would have to be in there. I don't know where the ages would come from though.
That's easy enough. So I'm just curious. So what are they looking at here? They're saying sort. So this is like lambda parameter. So ages dot sort.
Man, it's this Java thing. Oh man, I'm like.
What did you do? Like, it's like you took the code already for this. Syntax errors. Expecting.
Where do you want the comma?
So sort.
Is it supposed to be comma slice?
Why would it be comma slice?
Because I wrote it and it probably won't work.
So on line 10, on column 23, I don't even know it counts as a column because this IDE is the worst in the world. Unexpected comma. Expecting. Yeah, so I'm not very familiar with passing like this. Almost looks like a functional interface or like a lambda, right?
Mm-hmm.
So A minus B. So that's like, it does look like Java where you're doing like this weird thing in the sort.
We didn't import anything called slice, so instead of dot slice, try comma. And go for the security thing, and try.
I don't
it's
think.
gonna fail.
Hold on. Surely there's an easier way to sort. So sort strings name. What's going on here? Some kind of Go playground, I guess.
Have you never been to the Go playground?
I've never been to the Go playground.
You're missing out, man.
I forget you can do like var numbers is equal to int 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 4. Cool. We're gonna do that. So that's a slice. So if I say sort dot
Got it.
ints numbers, does that run? How do you run it?
Top right.
So now if I numbers so that works really well, sort.ints. I don't know why nobody suggested that, but nobody suggested that in that one Stack Overflow. So first thing, you can do sort.ints ages, right?
Mm-hmm.
Once you do that, it's like a substring or a subslice. So let me just ages. And let's just say, let's call this sorted ages, right? Format.println. I really just want to see my sorted ages. No value.
Yep, I hit enter. My bad.
You hit enter too early. Sort dot ends ages, no value. Who says value? Why did that work?
So now that's myself.
So I'm looking at this. Oh. Maybe that takes by reference, so it actually updates it out of scope. So ages become sorted. Okay, there you go. So now it's sorting, but the instructions say that it wants the second oldest age and the oldest age. So it still wants it in regular sorted order. So then all I have to do here is say ages. This is probably actually what I want to check. So what if I do ages? So I'm just going to say ages, length of ages, minus 2.
Yep.
I'm just going to test that to see if that gives me what I want. So it's going to tell me the answer should have been like 18. So yeah, that's like super easy. So minus 2, minus 1.
And return. Instead of using func, format.
Right, so just something like that. Oh, because I never
you're
used.
not using the format. Yeah.
Cool.
Hey.
I'll have to attempt it. That's supposedly a really easy one.
It took us like what, 15 minutes?
It took us 15 minutes. So but that's good. It's learning basics, right? And
yeah.
what I really like is normally there's somebody who shows you that you're a real idiot because there's an easier way to do it.
I don't know. I think the dot invert.
Let's submit that. Let's submit our funky code. And then,
let's see who tells
well, it's a
us
little
wrong.
better than this.
Oh my gosh.
Oh man. But you know, what is that, linear?
A and B.
Usually most languages, sometimes I like to think that their big O complexity is maybe like better.
Actually, that's along the lines of Golang, like.
But usually I like to think that even if they have more code, if it's better time complexity, maybe it's a better solution. But this is linear, right, from what I see. I don't know exactly. I guess they're looping over a range of ages. So yeah, this is linear. Most sort implementations in most languages actually are better than, well, they're not better than linear. So sort is like, at best, probably in log n. So theirs is better than ours.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Well, the second one is kind of.
They did a reverse sort and then took 1, 0. So I guess they didn't have to look up the length, which is that's like probably an immediately reference. That's like order 1, probably looking up length. So I don't think that's really bad to look up the length. Sort reverse, that's probably a linear operation on top of an n log n. So it's like 2 log n log 2n, right? Something like that. So yeah, we probably could have done it in linear time instead of. Is that quadratic? 2n or n to the 2? N log n. N log n's not quite quadratic. Okay, ours isn't the worst. So this one was voted best practice, probably because it's time complexity. This one was voted clever. So if we go to the newest solutions, I think ours looks a little better than this one.
Oh my gosh.
A little better than that one. And that one's pretty good. Where's ours? It's like not even in here.
Well, we just submitted it.
Yeah, it should be in the newest, right? It's like this one just getting hammered with new requests. But anyways, okay, well, cool. I'm probably not going to do another one tonight, but the next one will be.
Like 9:20. So yeah, next Sunday we can do 2 or 3.
Sounds good. That
You're
one was
gonna
a
stop
really easy
streaming?
one. Yeah. But I don't know.